Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Majestie. Now, this intro, it looks a bit different. You know, I'm in my bed, I'm talking to you guys, but by the title, you already know your girl is on her way to Florida. I leave today. My flight is not until 1 o'clock, and it's like it's 7:16 right now. I don't know why I'm awake so early. I really shouldn't be awake until like the next hour, but I woke up because, you know, I don't want to be rushed to get ready, so I'm already ready. And I got like some last minute packings I want to do, like my charger and stuff, my creams and stuff, making sure everything's 100 milliliters because I don't want them to bin anything, and you know, just making sure that everything's organized and my suitcase is locked and everything, and I've got everything. So you know, that's how I woke up a bit earlier than I should have, because you already know I love my sleep, but you know. But yeah, I'm going to Florida today. I'm going with my family, and I thought, you know what, I want to share this experience with you guys, you know, so I'm bringing you guys with me. There's a lot planned, we've got a lot to do, so it should be fun. So that's why I want to, you know, record my journey, and hopefully I don't have too much fun and forget to record it. I will own up to it. I probably will, but I'm still gonna try my best. I'm still gonna try. So guys, do bear with me, okay? This is like new to me. It's not my type of videos, but it is something I want to bring to my channel. So you know, bear with me, okay? So that's just like a little intro. I wanted to tell you guys that, you know, I'm awake. I'm going to Florida today. I'm bringing you guys with me to experience, and that you should bear with me because, you know, these vlog things, I'm new to it. I'm gonna get used to it. So I hope you enjoy this experience with me, and I will see you in the next clip, which should be the airport, but knowing me, it's probably not gonna be until I get to Florida. But like I said, bear with me, all right? And I will definitely see you in the next clip. Beautiful people, I am currently now in Animal Kingdom, you know, just taking in the nature a bit. I'm in the African part, so we'll be looking at like lions and stuff. So far, a rhino so far, a pig, a goat. But if you come from Jamaica, you know goats everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get as much footage as I can, and I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs. I'll see you in the next clip, guys. Okay guys, I'm currently, are you spraying me? I'm currently leaving Animal Kingdom now. It was nice, but most of it was a bit confusing. I mean, when it was like we wanted to check out Asia, we thought it was like Asia, then it was like Asia's on the left, but no, it was really nice. It's more like something to do on like a Sunday where you're a bit more comfortable and you're just taking in the nature a bit more. But now we're on our way to Hollywood Studios, so that should be a bit more fun, and I will see you there. To you, for the past couple of days, finding the car has been a lot harder than finding rides in these parks. Hold on, I wonder if this is it. Hold on. Found it! Bingo! Okay, we found it. See you guys in a bit.